roller coaster right now.
Roller coaster.
So, ready? Oh. Can you hear me from down here? I'm falling. Oh. I just died. I was like this. I was like,
You know what? You know what roller coaster we went on? We went on Raging Bull.
the soda can opener.
Crazy man laugh.
Oh my god, did you hear that? Thank you. I know this is a magnificent roller coaster. I know. I've been there. I've done that. What? Taylor! That's not appropriate. Are you fizzing piss? You have fizzing piss? Caffeinated piss?
What?
You have caffeinated piss?
Yeah.
We're in a car right now. Look, check it.
That was hilarious. I was like,
I was like,